Hi everybody, I am excited to announce that December is officially Hour of Code Month at the Novak Library. And this video is just a short tutorial on how to get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Destiny site, click on Novak, go down to the coding section, click on Hour of Code, click on grades 2 through 5. The name of the activity I would like you to do is animate a name. So I'm going to scroll down until I find it. There it is. Click on Start. The first thing you'll do is watch this video. After the video, you'll click on Starter Project. Now I want you to be able to watch the videos on that other page. So remember, we watched this video, but I also, below that, we have some ways. This is all the coding tutorials on how to code your name so it's animated. So you're going to want to be able to see this side as well as this side. All right, and to do that, I'm going to close the windows I'm not going to be using. I'm going to grab this tab and pull down, and then I'm going to grab the top again and click it off the side. Whoops, that didn't work. And do that again. Bounce it off the side. There we go. And then click on this one. And now they're side by side. So as I watch the video here, it's going to be showing me what to do. I'll be able to pause that and then work over here and then go back and rewatch it if I need to, or skip forward if I want to. But it's just nice to have them side by side so that you can see the video as you're working over here. The second hint or tip I want to give you is I think it would be a good idea for you to join Scratch. And the reason for that is that you can work on this at home. If you have your teacher's permission, you can work on it in the classroom. Anywhere you have computer access and you have permission, you can work on these projects. I mean, the first one I want you to do is animate a name, but you saw that there were many, many projects there that you could be working on to learn how to code. So anyway, back to I want you to join Scratch. To do that, click on that. Your username is going to be the same information you use to log into our school computers. So your username goes here, your password goes here, click Next, and you've joined Scratch. The reason I want you to use your school information is so that if you lose it or you forget about what it is, I can help you with it. Otherwise, I can't help you because I'll have no idea what you used. And if you can't get back into it, you'll lose all of your work. So I think it's really important that you join Scratch so that you can save your work and be able to work on it anywhere you'd like. So that's that. So go ahead and start working on your project, and I can't wait to